So an IOL is basically a term that we use for intraocular lens implant, and we call them just lens implants. But IOLs is kind of a umbrella term for anything that we can implant inside the eye. And so whether that be a lens that goes in the front of the eye, so in the anterior chamber, or a lens that you suture into place, it's a lens that goes inside the eye. Most of the lenses are made out of acrylic and made out of silicone. Different technology is used to make certain lenses. So for example, if you have a lens that has ring segments inside of them, then with that, we call it a multifocal, meaning you're going to have multiple points of focus. And some folks really like that because they want to have a distinct focus in the distance, another focus up close, for example. And then another type of lens is called an extended depth of focus lens, and that gives you more of a natural range of vision. There's advantages and disadvantages with each lens that you choose, and your physician can definitely review them with you, but to simplify it, if you're going for a multifocal lens, then you can expect to see a little bit more halo effect from a pinpoint source of light than you would with an extended depth of focus that doesn't use those ring segments. And that is intuitive in a way. Now, what about that near vision? Well, with a multifocal, you can have a point of focus that's a little bit closer, so your near vision is going to be a little bit better. Versus with an extended depth of focus, that near point might be a little bit further away, like an iPad or a computer. Overall, though, if you think about lens implant technology overall, any lens that you choose or that we offer is going to be safe for the eye. So even if you went with a standard lens or a basic lens that's covered by insurance, it's still going to be safe inside your eye. You're still going to have great vision. You just might need to use glasses more often.